Welcome to Computech World. In today's tutorial, I will explain the steps so you can use the total and percentage, how to get the total value and percentage in the Excel sheet from the given set of values. Here you can see I have already typed format for the report card. Here I have mentioned roll number and three subjects and the total field and percentage field. So let's start typing the values. Roll number 1, 2. Then I will use the autofill tool to quickly fill the entries. Now I will fill some marks. Now I will show you how you can get the total. The first method is type the equal to sign, formula name, it is sum. Open the bracket. You can mention the cell references in two ways, either using your mouse or by typing them. So I will use the first method. So this is the cell range B6 to D6. Close the bracket, press the enter key. So in this way we can get the total. For the rest of the students, I will use the autofill tool like this. Now how to get the percentage? Put the equal to sign and type the cell reference of that cell in which you got the total. So here it is 167 is the total and it belongs to cell reference E6. So type E6. Then put the division symbol. Here are two, I have mentioned three subjects, Hindi, Maths and English. So it will be 300 and put the multiplication sign, and every child got the number from out of 100, so I will mention 100 here. Press the enter key. So in this way you can get the percentage. Now again I will use the autofill feature. So it is that easy. So in this way you can get the total and percentage. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel